returning viewers. I am Jaleel, your motivational speaker and spiritual advisor, here to help us all ascend, here to help us all grow, here to spread positivity, abundance, wealth, knowledge, and wisdom your way. Hope everyone has had a blessed day, peaceful day, and productive day, and hope everyone did what they were supposed to do for today. Now, on with the unique meditation that we do. It's not going to be too long or too short, but something that keeps us or brings us together on the same mind frame. Enough with the talking, let's get right on to it. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe out. Okay, on to today's topic. Today's topic will be how there are different types of meditations and how they all affect us upon this journey that we are on. Now, meditation, right? Meditation is something that I can say that it changed me. It helped me shape myself in a way where I probably never would have seen myself changing this type of light or this type of energy shift, and it just changed me for the better. Meditation, really, the purpose of it is to quiet the mind and to really connect with the source, connect with your higher self, connect with God or whoever you believe in. And that's what meditation really is for. You have I actually have notes of different types of meditations. There's 8 different types of meditations I have for y'all, and I'm gonna get into that right now. The first meditation is mindfulness meditation, spiritual meditation, focus meditation, movement meditation, mantra meditation, transcendental meditation, progressive meditation, and visualization meditation. And all these meditations, right, all these, we can use all of them, and they will all have a big effect and all a big downplay in our path and our journey, because each of them have their own unique way of helping and building us. And the more we use those, the more we start really connecting with ourselves, tapping in with our highest power, tapping in with the source. That's where everything will seem to click, everything will seem to fall into place. But meditation really, like honestly, meditation is really something that's deeply powerful, something that I know a lot of people speak about, not only just me, but a lot of people speak about it, so you know I ain't just bullshitting y'all. I'm serious that meditation is really impactful. You gotta use it in all the right ways. You know, some people use it. For me, sometimes I use it as a stress reliever. I use it to connect with myself. I use it if I'm like scrambled all over the place and I can't get my mind straight and I just want to focus on one thing. I start to meditate and I keep my mind, all intact and all quiet in one place. So I feel like if that's gonna help me, and I'm a person whose mind goes all over the place, if that helps me, then I know it's gonna help y'all, for the simple fact y'all will probably have a better chance of really quieting the mind without challenge. Because for me, it's a challenge. For me to quiet my mind, it takes time. But for y'all, it'll probably be easier, which will be a benefit, because it gets you right on time, you right back on track how you was the first time. So, like I said, meditation is definitely something that I recommend for everybody to do, everybody to put into their daily routine, because that's a lifestyle. Meditation is a lifestyle, and I can honestly, personally say that I've been slacking a little bit on it. I haven't been doing it as much, but it's still in my part of my daily life, my daily routine. And excuse me. And yeah, definitely something that I feel like everybody should do. If you're not already doing it, you should start doing it, because when you're gonna do this, you're gonna feel a release of weight, release of dead weight, release of baggage, and release of whatever don't serve you in your life. You're gonna feel it just come up from your body and just go. And to fill that in, you fill that in with positive, you fill that in with good habits, good traits, and you release all the bad things, the bad traits, the the bad things about yourself and you release it. Like I said, meditation is really something that is good, is powerful. If you use it right, you will go far places. You will get to a better place at your life than you are now. So be sure to use meditation, use it effectively. You don't have to meditate every day. You can meditate like 3 times a week, maybe twice, maybe 4 times a week, whatever feels comfortable to you. And just do what feels best for you. Do what meditation feels best for you. Do what works for you. Because whatever works for you, whatever gets you to that point of life, that big stage of life, stick with it. Don't change something that was helping you in the first place. Don't change it. If it's helping you and it's getting you to far places and it's help you go, don't change it. Just elevate it. Just do something. Just take a step further upon it. But don't change it. Don't ever change it. Okay? So before we end this video off, I always leave with a word for y'all, something, a message from me. And the message is to practice meditation to connect with yourself, your higher self, to connect with the source, and to really tap in with the universe and connect all as one. Because that's all we are. We are nothing but energetic beings. We're energy. That's why when we produce good energy, things come to us gradually in a good way. But when we produce or we give out bad energy, then you got shit just coming to you. Things that you don't want to acknowledge, you don't want in your life. So one thing I would say, use meditation effectively. Practice it daily, and just put it a part of your lifestyle to make yourself better, make the people around you better, make your situation and your reality better. I'm Jaleel, your motivational speaker. I love y'all. I'm so thankful for all the support that I've been getting from y'all, for all the feedback that helps me become a better motivational speaker. And not only that, it helps me put up better content for y'all to better help y'all in y'all lives. I'm helping myself as well. I love y'all. I hope y'all have a blessed night, have a blessed day. Continue striving, continue doing you, continue being great, continue staying at the top. I love y'all, and until next time, peace.